Hey guys, this is Tattoo Tony, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to look at a couple houses that are sale for $1 in the city of St. Louis. There's actually a gigantic list of properties that you can buy for $1 or back taxes. These are properties that have been taken by the city of St. Louis, either because of back taxes or somebody passed away, the homes were abandoned. There's also buildings and commercial properties. Let me know what you think of this video and if you'd like to see more of this sort of thing. And maybe me and Andrew will do a series soon like this. So here we are, walking around back, and we're going to take a peek inside these and see if they're worth buying. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I have tons of videos that are actually urban exploring videos where we go through gigantic abandoned buildings and homes. Sometimes we find pretty crazy stuff, so hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You're okay, I'm right here. I don't have my camera, my light. Oh, take a photo in here. This looks really cool. So there's actually several in a row. You could take your pick. Maybe you could buy one for yourself and everybody in your family. All persons are warned to keep away. Leave any comments you have on the video. I'd appreciate it. I want to hear what you guys think about it. I know there is rules about buying $1 homes in the city of St. Louis. You have to have them up to par for inspection within such a period of time. You can go on a website called the LHRA website and look up these properties. Just Google it, you'll find it. Jeez Louise, that's pretty. It's the walls painted yellow down there, and there's a refrigerator. Holy cow. Be really careful. I love these curtains though. Oh man, that looks awesome. I don't know if you guys can make it out. There's a texture, a pretty cool pattern in those old curtains. Here. Okay, good call. I'll let you know if there's anything down here. I don't have my light anyways. Huh. Kind of surprised the refrigerator hadn't been scrapped yet. I hear that book's pretty good, The Power of Positive Thinking. And I cut out the wind noise here in this part. So these are very nice bricks though. A lot of buildings in St. Louis get burnt to the ground, and the firefighters come and put them out, and then people come and take the bricks, and they sell them, and they actually use them all over the country to build other structures where they want to have an old brick look. I think it was something about the brick quarries, or the places they made bricks around here, had some of the best bricks in the country, so I hear. Guess there was a fair amount of decent clay. Ooh. Yeah. A lot of trash to clean up in these backyards. These seem to be bags full of dirty diapers, so... Well, let me know what you think. Let me know if you liked the video. Could probably make some in the future a little longer and go through the buildings. But if you enjoyed it, let me know. If you didn't enjoy it, let me know. Go ahead and leave a comment, like, go over to Old and Fat Exploration and subscribe, and go check out Americana Explorer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.